In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome browser, and here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet P2055 and click on the enter key, and in that way, you will be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the second result, which is HP LaserJet P2055 printer series software and driver. Click on it. And the moment you click on it, you would be navigated to a page where you can download this specific driver. Now, once here, please proceed to driver universal print driver. Click on this down arrow key, and then you need to scroll down on the list and locate for HP Universal Printer Driver or print driver for Windows PCL6 64-bit. So click on this download. Okay, in my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Once done, please wait until the downloading process would be completed. The process would depend on the network connection that you are currently connecting with. So once you are done, please navigate here at the top right corner. You can see there a download icon. Click on it, and there you can see the zip file that you have downloaded, which contains the printer driver. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. The next step that you need to do is you need to make a right click and click on cut to copy it. And once you have copied it, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste to move it here. Once a zip file has been placed, you need to make a right click and go with extract all to extract it, or you can simply use the WinRAR tool to extract this file. So go with extract to and wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once it's here, we need to proceed to the start so that we can now start the installation. By that, make a right click and click on settings. Press Windows key and I key together as well, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please navigate to the left pane. Okay, and locate where the option called Bluetooth and devices. Once you are here at the Bluetooth and devices section, you need to proceed with printers and scanners. And here in the settings, you would be able to see an option called Add Device. Click on it and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and eventually you would be able to open a new window where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So if you have an HP port or an HP printer driver or printer port, sorry, you can choose this one as well. So click on next and then click on have disk and click on browse. So from here, we need to the desktop where our extracted file has been placed. Scroll down and locate our extracted file. So double tap here and eventually it will show you the printer driver. Select any of this, click on open and click on OK. Once done, you will be able to see this one. Select for PCL6 version 7.7.01. Click on next and please rename that into HP LaserJet space P2055 and then click on the next button and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this process would be finished. Now once done, click on next, click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet P2055 printer driver in your Windows 11. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.